finishing popping my heart puppet, but I'm gonna turn it over. Okay. Hey guys, I'm just videoing my fidgets. I just got my bracelet on. That's a fidget too. It's a unicorn bracelet, but that's okay. I can show you my other stuff that are not fidgets, but that's still in the video. So this are you asking this has a face or no? You're asking face? Okay, it does have a face. It's called Squish Delish. It says on the bottom. And now it smells like it's scented. And it has a cute little face. Okay, that's my first fidget. And my two little emoji faces. But people that say that are emojis, but we call them squishies. And we have the names. This is Easter one. This is for Easter, and this is for Easter. So this is for Easter, guys. And I have this little puppet. It's called a rainbow puppet. It's a heart one. Wait until I finish this, because it's really fun to see when I finish it. You hear me popping it? Ta-da! Oh, I'll just show you on the sides. And this is the back when it's popped. I need to show you something else. One more thing that's really good for you to eat. And I have some Tic Tacs.